Hey, spice seekers, it's Spicy Kai. It's time to put some flavor in your brand. Today, I want to talk to you about narrowing down your target market. I may not be able to help you blow up your YouTube channel, but I can definitely help you blow up your brand. Do me a favor, hit that like button for me. And if you like the content, be sure to subscribe. Now, let's get to it. Okay, let's talk about SEO. So, how do you understand SEO as an entrepreneur or a small business owner that does not want to pay for marketing? You think you can do this yourself, and I believe you can. How do you do it yourself? Well, let me explain it to you. As my course teaches, first of all, it's all about authenticity. So if you're an authentic person, then you can be yourself, and that alone is going to change the course for you. That's going to change the game. You're going to only reel in people that you understand how to communicate with, because somehow, some way, you guys have something deep in common. So that's number one. Now, with that authenticity in mind, let me show you how to just be yourself with an example. So let's use the word sports. Now, for my sports fans, you're asking the correct question, but we got to back it up a bit for the people that aren't sports fans. If you're not a sports fan, what are you thinking? Okay, cool. I'm here. I hear your example. I'm here with you. I got you. Moving on? No. For the sports fans, there's no way life can be that simple. So, now moving on. We go to Amazon, the number one place to shop for stuff online. I'm going to get me something sports. Whoever you are, you have to think of who you are. Listening to this. Who are you as a person that would have you on Amazon looking up something to do with sports? I'm going to give you an example for myself personally. Maybe it might be something Raiders specifically for mine. Mine loves Raiders. So maybe I'm buying him something Raiders. Okay. So I go to Amazon. You go to Amazon. We go in there. We type sports. What is that going to get us? A whole bunch of garbled data. Okay? So just pretend you're a newbie doing SEO. So we got to walk through this slowly. Maybe you're a good shopper and you already know all this, but we got to go through this slowly. Okay? So now you done went and typed sports. And you found out that could mean any and everything. What in the world am I supposed to do here? That is not. I was thinking as a consumer that sports meant, I don't want to fill in the blank. I don't want to help nobody else think. What were you thinking when you went to there and you typed in sports? Were you buying something for your mom for her birthday? So maybe you were thinking, oh, let me get her a sports t-shirt. But since you didn't type that, you got a whole bunch of stuff. So now you're just curious, like, oh, Lord, I wasn't even thinking that. I wasn't even on that level. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay. So now you didn't even think about whatever you came there for. Whatever you was thinking you might be doing. Something else. Let me see. What else could I get me? What else could I do with sports? Oh, wow. Audiobooks. I've been thinking about getting some audiobooks. Okay, cool. Let me look at a couple. Okay. And now you're looking through the audiobooks. You say, you know what, I'm going to get, let me look into this one. And you click it and you realize, whoa, it took me to another site. Yeah, because although Amazon owns Audible, still another site. So now you over here where it's limited a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. So now we all got that limited down at least a little bit. We know you want audiobooks related to sports. So you go in and you type that again. It's still a bunch of garbled data. Especially as sports fans will tell you. It's a lot of garbled data. Do you want a specific sport? Do you want a specific item? Are you looking for memorabilia? You looking for team stuff? If so, are you looking for a specific color? Or are you an actual fan of a team? You know what I'm saying? So it breaks down again. And you got to decide. Over there on Amazon, do I want calendars? Now you're on Audible. So now we at least got it to you want audiobooks. Got it. So now what type of audiobook do you want related to sports? You got to break that down now, right? You got to break that down. or you're not going to find the audiobook. Now I'm talking about the people that search. There's a lot of people that can find what they want browsing. Some of us don't shop like that. Some of us don't browse in real life, so we don't browse. We go with a specific purpose. We need it to just be broken down to something smaller, or we can't think. Some of us can't shop in Ross because it's too junky. Let me put it like that. I'm not trying to no hate against Ross, but I get overwhelmed. There's too much going on. I can't think like that. So me personally, I can't browse unless I at least tell it what I'm browsing. Now keep it here, okay? So let's say we breaking this sports down. After you going through all this, okay. Let's try sports entertainment. You find a couple audiobooks and I'm gonna do that. Sports entertainment. And then you go to sports entertainment and you wait, okay. Now they're asking you, do you want to hear sports entertainment comedy? Do you want to hear about stuff that actual sports players went through that they think is funny, so they wrote books that turned into audios like they're funny? Or do you want to, that's going to break down sports entertainment? Are we talking about how to be a sportscaster or how to get entertainment business? Or do you want advice? What do you want? What do you want? And so eventually you narrow it down. Once again, I don't want to talk too much on sports, but it's the great way to get anybody to understand it. Even if you don't know sports, you know now what I'm saying. Oh yeah, it would be broken down. That's your brand. That's your brand. When you haven't zeroed on your target market yet, there's no way for you to figure out exactly what those people need. So when you come to your marketer with a budget and they don't care enough about you or your brand to make sure that you narrow this down first before you start giving them all this money, you're probably not talking to the right people. You're talking to the sports market. And that's too many people. And by the time the people that really could have reached you, because you are sports entertainment, your brand is about, okay, break it down some more. Sports entertainment in such and such county. All right, Lord, I didn't know that was going to be a big market too. Okay, sports entertainment in such and such county for, I don't want to do black people. What else can I do? What else? Wait, let me go back and look and see who's watching. Sports entertainment. Oh, wow, that's crazy. I didn't know a lot of people, they like wrestling. I love wrestling. I keep forgetting some people. All right. Sports, entertainment, whoop for wrestling fans. Bam. You have narrowed down your target market. Now, let me try to explain something to you. The people that like you, the people that like what you sell, the people that like your authenticity, that aren't wrestling fans, they're still going to buy from you. They're still going to buy from you, period. But they're never going to follow you because they don't care about what you're talking about. And they don't, for whatever reason, connect to you like that. But they love your spunk, so they buy from you. You hear me? So you target the people that you can connect with way past your products. You already post about your wrestling. You and your family, that's all y'all love on the side of life. On the side of life, your side over here on the side. Well, we and my family do that. We don't care when nobody else love it. We post about it. But then why is that not a part of your brand? Why? You make that a part of your brand, you will in all them wrestling fans that also like chicken or that also need this or that. Hey, there's your target market. And you learned all that by being authentic. So SEO is about learning who those people are, deeper, like that search. You got to dig deeper, like that search. Like searching for sports and realizing that market is too big. That don't even make no sense. You cannot connect to them people. It ain't about making money off of them. It's about connecting to them. And you can't connect to all those people because a lot of them, you don't care about what they talking about. You don't care about that aspect of sports. You see? So when you really dug deep, you're like, wait a minute, but wrestling is our thing. So no, you're not turning away the football lovers. You're not. There's still going to be a small connection. But you can make a deeper connection with wrestling because you actually love wrestling. And they're going to feel that in what you're saying because you really do. And therefore, that's your target market. And SEO is about figuring that out, not narrowing it down. What do y'all connect on that I ain't gonna never be able to touch on because I don't like wrestling like that? Why do y'all connect? What do y'all connect on over there on that personal level that you can make sure your audience knows about over here so all the wrestling fans at least come your way? That's what it's all about. And you use those words. But only you know what those words are because that's your community. You don't need me to write those words for you. You don't need me to do what's called a SEO keyword research to do that for you. You don't need me. You already follow those people on Facebook. You already all connected with them on Instagram. You don't need me for that. You needed me for this. You needed me to tell you how to get there. Now you got it. Go. Hit me up. Let me know how it went down. Love you. Spicy out.
Are you tired of lackluster sales and struggling to connect with your audience online? Get ready to unravel the secrets that will transform your brand into a money-making machine. Enroll now in our The Dirty Little Secrets About Your Target Market course, a beginner's guide to DIY branding and website marketing, and score big with a complimentary personalized target market report. Inspired by Dr. Stephen Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, we've crafted a step-by-step approach to connect with your online audience. Picture this: a report crafted just for you, unveiling the secrets of your prime target market. We're talking about a tailored guide that not only pinpoints your audience, but also hands you the keys to SEO success. But wait, there's more. Learn how to wield the power of content effectively to reach your audience and turn clicks into conversions. This isn't just a course. It's a personalized roadmap to online success. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and claim your complimentary personalized target market report. Your prime audience, SEO secrets, and content mastery await. Let's turn your brand into an online sensation today.